Hello students, dear parents, how are you? Are you fine? Good. And this is our 30 class of maths for grade 1. Okay, in this class we're going to see number system again. Okay, and our subtopic is counting numbers and order of numbers. You see, when we say what do you mean by counting, okay, when we say how you count numbers, we will see this and order their orders. Okay, and our discussion pages are page 4 and 5, and I'm Mr. Melissa. Before we start, let's see the objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to write the name of numbers in their symbol. As I told you, you will see the numbers in their symbol from 41 up to 60. Obviously, numbers from 1 up to 40. This lesson, you're going to see 41 up to 60, and then identify order of natural and whole numbers. Identify the orders in ascending and descending. We will see what you mean by ascending and descending. When you say ascending, in increasing order, descending in decreasing order. Okay, arranging numbers either in increasing or in decreasing order. We call it ascending and descending. And also you count by skipping. We'll see this also. Okay, how you count by skipping: by 1, by 2, by 3. Skip counting by, it can be by 1, it can be by 2, it can be 3. So we'll see this. So before we start, let's see what we have seen last time. Previously, we have seen naturals and whole numbers. When we say naturals, they are what? Numbers starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. up to infinite. But naturals, they start with which number? With 1. And we have seen whole numbers. Whole numbers, they start from 0. Okay? What makes them differ? They start with 0. Naturals, they start with 1, but wholes start with 0. That's the difference. We have seen this last time. And also we call naturals as countings, okay, counting numbers. We call them counting numbers because we use naturals to count objects, to count persons, wherever. We use naturals for counting. That's why counting numbers. And I have given you one homework, right? I have given you one homework. What you will do here is you write the numeral for each box. The number, the dots are inside the box, so you count and then you write the amount. You count, you write, based on the example here. So the first one is 15, okay? 15 dots. Second one, 12. And the third one is 14. And here, 16. Here, 19. We have 19 dots. Again here, 30. We count to 30. And lastly, 20. And the next homework is fill in the missing numbers. Okay, you have given 7 and 9. The rest is blank. So the correct order will be 8, 10, and 11. See, 7, 8, 9, 11. Next, you have given only 1. So the next numbers will be 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the correct order. And B, you have given 17 here. The next numbers are what? 18, 19, 20. Here 16, 17, 18, 19. Again 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This is the correct order of the numbers. This is what I have given you last time. Now let's proceed to today's class. Right? In this class, we will see numbers from 41 to 50. Okay? Numbers from 41 up to 15 and given, and also the next from 51 up to 60. We'll see this numbers, their names, and with their corresponding symbols. The first one is 41. How you spell 41? 41, 42, 43, 44. Let's tell you all. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, these are the numbers and these are the words. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay, these are the numbers. So these are numbers from 41 up to 60. Okay, I hope you have seen and differentiate their symbol and word expressions. I hope it's clear for you. Now let's proceed to the next one. Here we will see what ascending and descending order means. Okay, in this lesson we will see ascending and descending. What do you mean by ascending? That means when the numbers are arranged from the smallest to the largest number. That means in increasing order. Okay, those numbers are said to be what? In ascending order or in increasing order, you can see. Say for example, arrange the numbers in ascending order from 5 to 11. If you are asked to arrange 5 to 11, it will be what? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You see, the numbers are what? Increasing from smallest to what? To the largest. So this arrangement, we call it ascending order. So the numbers are arranged from the smallest to the largest. And next, descending order. When the numbers are arranged from the largest to the smallest number, those numbers are said to be in descending order or in decreasing order, you can see. For example, arrange the numbers in descending order from 23 to 70. 23, 22, 21, 20, 90, 80, 70. The numbers are what? Arranged from the largest to the smallest in decreasing order. Okay, so this is what arranging numbers in ascending and descending order mean. Clear, students? Good. So now let's say again counting numbers in order of numbers. Count by skip. When we say skip counting, that means let's say 0, 1, 2, 3. What next? For that, let's see the gap, the interval between two consecutive numbers, okay? From 0 to 1, from 1 up to 2, from 2 to 3. When you see their gap, their interval or their difference, there is what? A one number difference in each number. So you can guess the next one, okay, based on that. 3, 4, 5. Okay, the missing number in the above examples are 4 and 5, because this skip counting by what? By 1. So the next numbers are 4 and 5. Practicing questions. Again, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What next? Again here, the counting is what? By 1. Skipped by 1. So the next is 9. Let's do it together. The next is what? The next one is, the next number is, next number is 9. And here 12. Next number is 12. And here 14. 15. And 16. Okay. 16. Again here. What's next? 23, 24, 25. Again, the number is skipped by 1. So the next number will be what? You can easily guess the number. 26. The next number is, digit is what? 26. And next 27. Simply you can answer. And next one, 8, 7, 6. What's next? 3, 2, 1, 0 are given. So as you can see, the numbers are what? In descending order or decreasing order. So you can answer. Next one, 6, 5. Okay, it's decreasing by 1. The numbers are decreasing by 1. So the next digit will be what? 5. So simply 5. Next, and 4. See, this is the right order. Okay, in the same way, here you have what? Skip counting by, we have seen skip count by what? Skipping counting by 1. Here by 2. 0, 2, 4. What's next? The missing number in the above examples are what? 6 and what? 10. Cause what? Their gap or their interval, their difference is 2 in each 2 consecutive numbers. So what next? Next is here. The next number is 6. Okay, 6. And here 10. Clear? Because the number is increasing. The number is increasing by 2. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This we call it skip counting by, count by skipping 2 or count by 2. Is it clear, students? Good. Now, before we see the examples, the same way, take a look at this movie or video, and then we'll come back to the classwork. Okay? All right, students. I hope you have seen numbers starting from 41 up to 16. They are numerals and with their corresponding words, right? So now let's see. I will give you one classwork here. Okay? Write, it says what? Write the numerals. So the first classwork, here you have, it says write down the next three numbers. Write down the next three numbers. As I told you, as we have seen earlier, what you're going to see or do here is first you'll see the gap or the difference between consecutive numbers. That means just like the skip count, okay, by how much it is skipped. So 3, 4, 5. As you can see, the numbers are what? A one number difference in each. So you can write the next one based on the pattern. So here you have in increasing. The numbers are written in ascending order. That means increasing order. So the next numbers you can guess or you can write. Again here, 7, 8, 9. So again, 7, 8, 9, the next numbers. C, 14, 15, 16. It's also increasing. 9, 10, 11. The next three numbers. 13, 14, 15. Again, the next three numbers. And the next will be arrange the given numbers from smallest to largest. Okay, the previous one is increasing order, is given in increasing order. Now the smallest to largest. Again, you are asked to arrange. This one is arranging, okay, arranging numbers. So what you're going to do here is you arrange from, you start from the smallest to the largest, okay, here. So start doing now, then I'll be back and we'll see it together. You will have 10 minutes for this one, for the first one, for the first and second one. So start doing now. Alright, students, now let's see the answers. For the first one, as I told you, the first three numbers are given and you complete the next three numbers. So based on the pattern, the answer will be 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, see, 17, 18, 19, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18. Okay, based on this, compare and relate your answers, okay? And take corrections if you have any correction. So the second one is arranging. For the first one, you have given 5, 3, 7, 9. So you start with which number? From the smallest. So the smallest is 3, so you start with 3. 3, 5, 7. This is in increasing order. Again here, you have given 6, 3, 9, 2. So you start with 2. 2, 6, 9. C, you start with 8 and 9 and 4, 11 and 14. Lastly, you have 7, 10, 4 and 3, so you start with which number? 3, and 4 and 7 and 10 finally. So here is your correction. So based on this, try to roulette and compare your answers. So after that, I'll give you one homework before we finish today's lesson. So what you're going to do here is you have one extra exercise here to arrange the given numbers from the largest to the smallest. Okay, this one is arranging from the largest to the smallest in descending order. Okay, the previous one is what? This one is from the smallest to the largest, but this one is from the largest to the smallest, descending order. So this is your homework.